Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Check Android version and ensure battery is above 50%. Open settings and unlock the device with your PIN or password so you can access system options. Once done, navigate to About Phone and locate build number. You need repeated taps, so relax and focus. Make sure you have Google account details available in case verification is required later. These quick checks prevent interruptions and let you proceed immediately to enable developer controls. You will now reveal the options. Tap build number 7 times, you'll see progress messages and may be asked for your device PIN, enter it when prompted. Once the system confirms you are a developer, go back to Settings and Open System, then locate Developer Options. Inside, toggle the main switch to enable developer mode. Take time to read option labels before changing them. Many settings alter device behavior. If you need USB debugging, toggle it here and confirm the prompts when connecting to a computer. Finish by turning on only the features you need, commonly USB debugging for PC connections, then confirm any on-screen prompts. Apply changes one at a time and test functionality so you understand effects. Avoid toggling experimental options without a reason. If something misbehaves, reboot the device first. That often clears transient issues. If problems persist, return to developer options and reset the toggles you changed. Reboot again. This simple troubleshooting step resolves most issues without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.